So since this is my very first video, so I'm Dana and my mom is the one filming right now and my sister is kind of the helper. Oh, and today is my birthday party. So in 3 more days will be my real birthday, which is Halloween, October, you know. So today we're going to be unboxing some presents of my parents. So let's get right into it. Okay, Kayla, I'll need your help for this, okay? Okay, so I am going to pick out my presents while my eyes are closed. So, okay. I just pick this up. I kind of already... This thing is so adorable! Like the eyes! It's so adorable! Okay, thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. Okay, let's open the next one and see what it is. Okay. And you're up. Okay, let's try to find one. This is so cool! Whose ideas was this? Does that say potion?
How do you spell?
Putin. Oh, whatever.
That's a potion.
Okay, so let's check the other one. I'm looking for all the fuzzy ones. This one looks... Mode! I want this mode! Let's check what these are. Okay, we got two normal one and one sparkly one. Let's see if we could find the ultra rare unicorns. Moch, is there moch? Ooh, okay. Okay, the moch, chocolate. I got a seal and a cat! These are so adorable! Like, look at the seal! This cat. Checking the checklist. Oh my gosh, the seal. Oh, okay, let me put these two together so I know which ones are which. Let's see if they're a rare or an ultra rare or anything. I got the rare cat. I got a rare cat. Yes. And let's see if our seal is rare. Our seal is common. That's still cute. Let's open our sparkly one last. Oh, they're so cute. Hopefully no duplicates. Oh my gosh. This thing is so adorable. What is that thing? Oh, it's a bear! Look at that thing! And it has like this little print on its top. That's so adorable. Oh my gosh. Is that a koala or a dog? It's like a koala dog thing. Moch are so adorable. Most pink things. Oh yeah, it's a dog. I've got a common dog. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Like, look at that. We got another rare. Let's put them with them. And now it's time to open the sparkly one. Wow, it would be cooler if it came 10 surprises. Now let's see. Ooh, we got this hedgehog. I think, yeah, that's a sparkly. I love hedgehogs. So, pink cheeks.
Oh, that's very cute.
I know. Yeah, I got a glittery seal. A glittery pink seal. Oh, that's the bear. That's the bear. I am in love with Moch.
That one's really cute.
I know, I'm gonna put these together. Okay, so our hedgehog is a common. Let's see. Oh, and okay, both of our glitteries are common, but we've got rares and commons together. Okay, that's really cute. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna open this hard head one. Mini Pygmy Pops. Like, I thought that... Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I want the stuffy. Little stuff. Okay, I love this. Okay, just being ice cream. Ice cream. Smoothie squishies. Volcano. Okay, these are really cool. This is awkward opening. Okay, let's see. Look at this little squish.
Show us. What is it?
It smells really good. It's like those fortune cookies.
Oh, that was really cute. Oh, those are really squishy.
Yeah. Boing, doing, 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 doing. Okay, at least I can make this mess. Confetti! Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so these are tiny tipping pops. Ah! It smells like gum!
Let me see.
It's like a little hamster!
That one's very cute. It comes with the small chain that you can put it in a backpack.
That's cute. Is this gonna be another one? Is this Dad's idea? Okay, this is how you play Simon. Okay, so you fall. I'm a master at this. Oh, darn
Oh
it.
my.
How much wrapping did you put on this one? It's a notebook. That's so cute. It's a little notebook.
Yeah. Is that? Oh, it's a Doki Doki
Yeah.
notebook. That's very cute.
My favorite. I hope you guys love putty. Mostly everyone likes putty. Ooh, Daddy. And let's see our volcano buddy. And let's touch it. Let's feel it. Oh, sorry. At least I'm entertaining myself. Oh, that's so cool. Yo! Exploded though. Okay. And all my modes are gone. Okay. Let me just get this confetti out. Swimming. Let's just try this. Okay. This is so cute. It is a little bunny. Oh my god. My gosh, that's actually really cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, like look at its face. I just want to squish it. No, like this. Princess Potty Boss, Taylor Truelove said. Ooh, we got this little maraca. It has a little keychain for us to blow. I'm just going to use it as a maraca. Enough chitty. I'm going to open this picnic box. I'm bad at mixing. Okay, my God. Let's see. Ooh, little hair elastic. Like a ring. Could use Pick Me Pops like for everything. These are so cute and adorable. I think it's a hair elastic. I'm so putting that in my hair at school tomorrow. Let's see. What's that doing in there? Okay. Oh, those are lots of surprises to open. Okay. Let's see what it is. We got this rhino. Little rhino with buck teeth. Wait, no, it does not have buck teeth. And oh my gosh, this is gonna. If you can go through this whole video without fast forwarding, Just good job. I'm just awkward. You just did give me a hand. Let's put it with all the toys I got. The bag's empty. Mom, this was a rip-off. Oh my god. Okay. I just got this right here. Okay. Let's write something. It didn't work. Whatever. I'll get to that later. I'm trying to open. Hopefully you guys can. Oh my gosh. Are these both for me? Ooh, there's 2 Kinder Surprise. I guess 2 for me. I'm setting the chocolate. So much chocolate. Sorry. I got Naked Mermaid. I have no idea how to do this. Wait. Yep. What is this? It's Superhero Naked Man. Mom, is this supposed to be mine? Is this mine too? Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please hit that like button and also the notification bell and the subscribe button. And you ready for the end intro part?